Hi there. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. We have 20 PMP scenario exam questions based on team management. I am Mark. Please subscribe and like our video. Let's get into the questions. 1. During the forming stage of a new project team, Alice, the project manager, notices that team members are hesitant to share their opinions. What should Alice do next? A. Ignore the issue, as the team is still new. B. Provide clear guidelines and encourage open communication. C. Assign individual tasks without team collaboration. D. Implement a team-building exercise to break the ice. Answer. B. Provide clear guidelines and encourage open communication. Explanation. In the forming stage, the project manager should provide direction and encourage open communication to help the team build trust. 2. During the storming stage, Susan's team is facing internal conflicts and productivity is low. What should Susan do to manage the situation? A. Let the conflicts resolve naturally. B. Take a hands-off approach and let the team sort it out. C. Facilitate a team-building activity to help resolve conflicts. D. Replace the team members who are in conflict. Answer. C. Facilitate a team-building activity to help resolve conflicts. Explanation. During the storming stage, conflicts are natural, and the project manager should help the team resolve issues through collaboration and team-building activities. 3. Brian is managing a project with a virtual team spread across different time zones. The team is struggling to communicate effectively. What should Brian do? A. Assign one person to handle all communications. B. Schedule regular, overlapping virtual meetings to improve communication. C. Ignore communication issues and focus on task completion. D. Require team members to send daily email updates. Answer. B. Schedule regular overlapping virtual meetings to improve communication. Explanation. Regular virtual meetings help ensure consistent communication across different time zones and keep the team aligned. 4. During the performing stage, Karen's team is working well together and meeting their deadlines. What is Karen's role at this stage? A. Micromanage the team to ensure they stay on track. B. Step back and let the team operate independently. C. Replace team members to keep them motivated. D. Continue providing support while allowing the team to take ownership of their work. Answer. D. Continue providing support while allowing the team to take ownership of their work. Explanation. In the performing stage, the team is self-sufficient, but the project manager should still offer support when necessary. 5. John is managing a team in the norming stage of development. The team is starting to work together more effectively, but some members still hold back their ideas. What should John do? A. Give individual rewards for sharing ideas. B. Encourage more team collaboration and open discussions. C. Promote competition within the team to increase performance. D. Ignore the issue as the team is functioning well. Answer. B. Encourage more team collaboration and open discussions. Explanation. During the norming stage, the project manager should encourage team collaboration to build stronger bonds and more open communication. 6. Emily is leading a project with a virtual team. To build trust and cohesion, she plans to use a team-building tool. Which tool would be most appropriate? A. Assigning additional tasks to individuals. B. Organizing a virtual team-building workshop. C. Sending weekly progress reports to the team. D. Monitoring the team closely for any performance issues. Answer: B. Organizing a virtual team building workshop. Explanation: virtual team building workshops help build trust and cohesion in a dispersed team, which is essential for successful project execution. 7. Adam is leading a project with a high-performing team. The team has reached the performing stage. What should Adam focus on at this stage? A. Provide detailed instructions and supervise the team closely. B. Allow the team to self-manage and focus on high-level decision-making. C. Replace underperforming team members to maintain high performance. D. Start dismantling the team as the project is near completion. Answer: B. Allow the team to self-manage and focus on high-level decision-making. Explanation: in the performing stage, the team is highly functional and can manage itself, allowing the project manager to focus on strategic decisions. 8. In the forming stage of a project, several team members are unsure of their roles. How should Michael, the project manager, handle this situation? A. Let the team figure out their roles over time. B. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities for each member. C. Assign new team members to fill any gaps. D. Ignore the confusion and proceed with the project. Answer: B. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities for each member. Explanation: in the forming stage, it's important for the project manager to clarify roles and responsibilities to avoid confusion and delays. 9. Rachel is leading a project with a virtual team. She notices that some team members are feeling isolated. How should she address this issue? A. Increase the frequency of project meetings. B. Send out detailed project reports more often. C. Arrange informal virtual social gatherings to build rapport. D. Assign more individual tasks to team members. Answer: C. Arrange informal virtual social gatherings to build rapport. Explanation: virtual teams can feel isolated, and informal social gatherings can help build personal connections and improve team cohesion. 10. During the storming stage, conflicts between two team members are escalating. How should the project manager, David, resolve this? A. Ask one team member to leave the project. B. Facilitate a conflict resolution session with both team members. C. Ignore the conflict and focus on project tasks. D. Move the team members to separate tasks. Answer: B. Facilitate a conflict resolution session with both team members. Explanation: the project manager should actively manage conflicts by facilitating open discussions to resolve issues during the storming stage. 11. Sally is working with a cross-functional team, and she notices that some team members are not sharing key information. How should she improve communication within the team? A. Assign a communication officer to handle all information. B. Create a shared project workspace where all members can access information. C. Send daily reports to each team member. D. Reduce the number of communication tools being used. Answer: B. Create a shared project workspace where all members can access information. Explanation: a shared workspace improves transparency and allows all team members to access necessary information, enhancing communication. 12. Robert's team has just entered the norming stage. What should Robert do to maintain the team's progress? A. Continue micromanaging to ensure no mistakes are made. B. Encourage collaboration and provide feedback as necessary. C. Move directly into the performing stage. D. Shift focus to individual performance over team dynamics. Answer: B. Encourage collaboration and provide feedback as necessary. Explanation: in the norming stage, the project manager should continue fostering collaboration and provide constructive feedback to maintain team progress. 13. Julie is managing a virtual team with communication issues. What technology can Julie use to improve communication? A. Weekly email reports. B. Cloud-based collaboration tools with real-time updates. C. Conference calls once a month. D. Print reports mailed to all team members. Answer: B. Cloud-based collaboration tools with real-time updates. Explanation: cloud-based tools with real-time updates help improve communication and coordination within virtual teams. 14. During a team-building exercise, James notices that some team members are not fully participating. What should James do? A. Ignore the non-participation and focus on the active members. B. Address the issue privately with the non-participating members. C. Cancel the team-building activity. D. Assign more work to those who are not participating. Answer: B. Address the issue privately with the non-participating members. Explanation: non-participation in team-building exercises can signal deeper issues, and the project manager should address this privately to improve engagement. 15. In a project with a virtual team, some team members feel disconnected from the project goals. What should the project manager, Lisa, do to fix this? A. Increase reporting frequency. B. Organize more team-building activities to strengthen team cohesion. C. Reduce team meetings to avoid overwhelming the team. D. Delegate all leadership tasks to the team. Answer: B. Organize more team-building activities to strengthen team cohesion. Explanation: virtual teams often need extra team-building activities to maintain a sense of connection and shared purpose. 16. As a new project begins, Victor notices that the team is struggling to bond. What team-building tool can he use? A. Assign extra work to foster collaboration. B. Conduct a team-building workshop to strengthen relationships. C. Encourage competition between team members. D. Delay team-building activities until later stages. Answer: B. Conduct a team-building workshop to strengthen relationships. Explanation: in the forming stage, workshops help build trust and establish relationships within the team. 17. After resolving conflicts during the storming stage, Emma wants to promote continuous collaboration. What should she do next? A. Conduct frequent conflict resolution sessions. B. Encourage team members to give and receive feedback regularly. C. Assign individual tasks to avoid further conflict. D. Focus on deadlines rather than team dynamics. Answer: B. Encourage team members to give and receive feedback regularly. Explanation: after resolving conflicts, it's important to promote open feedback and collaboration to maintain a positive team environment. 18. Alex is managing a virtual team that is entering the norming stage. What should his focus be? A. Micromanage the team to ensure proper task execution. B. Facilitate collaboration and trust building within the team. C. Assign individual tasks to minimize teamwork. D. Reduce team communication to focus on task completion. Answer: B. Facilitate collaboration and trust building within the team. Explanation: in the norming stage, the project manager should focus on building trust and collaboration among team members. 19. During the performing stage, Mark notices that the team is becoming complacent. What should Mark do? A. Continue with the current pace, as the project is on track. B. Implement new challenges to re-engage the team. C. Reassign tasks to create competition within the team. D. Encourage team members to work independently. Answer: B. Implement new challenges to re-engage the team. Explanation: in the performing stage, teams can become complacent, and introducing new challenges can help keep them motivated and engaged. 20. Olivia is leading a project with a virtual team and is looking for ways to improve team bonding. Which approach is most suitable? A. Reduce virtual meetings to avoid overwhelming the team. B. Organize virtual team building exercises to foster relationships. C. Focus solely on individual task performance. D. Send weekly motivational emails to the team. Answer: B. Organize virtual team building exercises to foster relationships. Explanation: virtual team building exercises are essential to maintaining strong bonds in a dispersed team, fostering collaboration and trust. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel. All the best with your PMP exam. You got this.